Hey guys, and welcome back. Right, so I am in the garage under my apartment block, which is where Sam stays nice and safe. So let's go out and do a little bit of a ride. Now I've got D&F cameras fitted as well, so what we'll do is I will do a review of the camera quality and also the reasons why I installed them. For those in the UK, not just with K1600s but with other bikes as well, this is worth knowing, and it's effectively your dash cam will save you money on your insurance. Strangely enough, it is true. Now on Sunday, some of the traffic lights don't actually work. They turned off and they just flash amber, which means you proceed under your own steam. So we're going to take a mad dash up to the next junction because I really just want to blow some cobwebs out. And it's a nice sunny day, but it is damn cold. I mean, if we look at the temperature at the moment, oh no, I tell a lie, it's 10.5 degrees. What am I talking about? It's positively balmy. But there's a wind, and unfortunately the wind is making it feel an awful lot closer. I've got some spot coming in, so let's give that yeehaw! Come on, Sam! Man, do those road pilots hug the ground. And with new brakes and new boots, Sam's road holding and stoppability is back to being legendary. Now when you consider that was on relatively cold tyres, that is bloody impressive. So guys, go out and get some Road Pilot 6 for not just your K1600 but for your other bikes as well. They got all the sizes, and I am mega impressed with this tyre. Now this is just downtown Ingolstadt, so we're going to go for a little ride around. Damn, I'll get him next time. Ingolstadt on a Sunday is basically closed. There's going to be a coffee shop open, and that's where I'm going to head to. It's over that way, so I'm going to go over there and grab a coffee, and then we're going to go for another ride. And here we are going around the bend, and if you speak to my ex-wife, she'll tell you I've been around the bend for years, and my girlfriend can confirm it. Man, I hate having to go this slow, even for a red light. Do you know what? I got time. I'm going to go for a ride, and then I'm going to come back and have a coffee. Come on. I'm getting impatient sitting the traffic lights. Is that Florian in front of me? I think it is. No, it isn't. That's what they call a competitor to the K1600. It is indeed. I promise you it's not, guys. ZZR 1400. Nice bike, but no biscuit. And we have a trike, guys. We got a trike. A Mustang Advance. And he's wearing the obligatory he's got some kick in that. Oh fuck it, I'm going this way. Sorry, Furge. It's going to be Furge from now on. Now from last year, you probably noticed I'm actually riding a lot faster. That's because I'm feeling a whole lot better. I had a bit of a health issue for a while, which slowed me down, but now I is back to my awesome self. Do I want to go this way? No. But I do want to go this way. Keep on going, Mr. VW. It's a green light. Very modern office, I like it. Now we all know where this road leads. Well, you don't, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's the Audi Roundabout. I'm going to go around it a couple of times, just because I can. And I love going around roundabouts. It's so much fun. But I got to get rid of this Volkswagen because it's doing my head in. Come and see here, give me the sprinty button. There it is. And here we are, that big, ugly, metallic Audi stuck in the middle. So let's do a couple of circuits. Just because this is fun. See, sustained lean angle, not a problem. What we'll do is come off on this one so we can change lean angle. And I overcooked that one a bit. That was my fault. I was so busy targeting the car in front, I missed my turn point. That was me being stupid. Good thing about a K1600, she'll get you out of the trouble. know where we're going. If I follow this road, it'll take me all the way through to Lenting, and that's where Sam's favourite dealer is. All part of Audi. Audi basically owns this town in every way possible. Sorry for not talking too much, guys, but I'm absolutely enjoying this. It's really doing a good job of blowing the cobwebs out. Here we are. All of this is Audi. I say, it is huge. As TMF would say, it's massive.